Hello dear friends, and welcome to my new video on how to earn $100,000 as a freelancer from ChatGPT. So, if you too want to earn a six-figure income as a freelancer, then keep watching this detailed video on how to earn money from ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? Before we dive deep into the topic of how to earn money from ChatGPT, let's try to understand what ChatGPT really is. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It has been trained on a massive amount of text data, using a deep learning algorithm, called transformer architecture. This allows it to understand natural language, and respond to questions and statements, in a human-like way. It can help with a wide range of tasks, such as answering questions, providing information, generating text, and more. In layman's terms, ChatGPT is an AI-based online application that could allow the users to get answers to their queries instantly. Earlier, when ChatGPT was not available, then the users would have to spend a lot of time to carry out research on any topic on search engines like Google. Google would generate the web pages relevant to the topic, and users have to search every link for the answer they are looking for. Now, the circumstances have changed, and the users can get answers to any question within a few seconds, solve complex equations, generate poems, or even get codes in any language. How freelance writers can use ChatGPT. Freelance writers can use ChatGPT in several ways to improve their writing skills and efficiency. Here are some ways ChatGPT can be helpful. Idea generation. If you're struggling to come up with ideas for your next writing project, then ChatGPT can help. You can ask it questions related to your topic, and it will provide you with suggestions and ideas that you can use to create content. Research. ChatGPT can also help you with research. If you need information on a particular topic, you can ask ChatGPT for relevant articles or studies. This can save you time and help you find reliable sources. Writing assistance. ChatGPT can provide suggestions on grammar, sentence structure, and word choice. You can ask it to proofread your work or provide feedback on your writing style. Content optimization. ChatGPT can also help you optimize your content for search engines. You can ask it to suggest keywords and phrases to include in your content to improve its visibility. Inspiration. If you're feeling stuck or unmotivated, ChatGPT can provide you with quotes, prompts, and writing exercises to help get your creative juices flowing. Overall, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for freelance writers, providing them with ideas, research, writing assistance, content optimization, and inspiration. How I use ChatGPT in my freelancing career. I am a full-time freelancer writer, and I have been using ChatGPT for quite some time. If you too want to use ChatGPT as a freelancer writer, then you must understand its limitations. I have an experience of around 7 years in freelance writing, and I have realized that ChatGPT has its own limitations. For instance, it cannot provide you a unique critical review, since its algorithm is not advanced enough to criticize on any topic. So, don't use it for writing literature review, critical analysis, research study, or any paper that requires to criticize or provide views or opinions on the topic. ChatGPT is best for gathering information on any topic, so if you are writing an informative article or essay, then you can easily use it. However, don't just copy-paste the whole passage that ChatGPT generates for your queries, because it also takes them from the internet. If you use them directly in your essay or article, then it could be considered plagiarism. The best way to use ChatGPT is to divide the whole essay into small parts, and then ask queries related to these parts. Thereafter, use the answer of these queries to write an article or essay on that topic. For instance, suppose that you are supposed to write an article on is the COVID-19 responsible for changing the buying behavior of people? Then write introduction. On the basis of any query you ask the ChatGPT, like how the COVID-19 changed the life of people? Then for the next paragraph you can ask how economy gets affected due to COVID-19? And then for the next paragraph, you can ask a query like how the COVID-19 affects financial capabilities of people? Etc. Then, rephrase all the answers you get from ChatGPT in your own words. This way, you will get a precise essay with the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has helped me increase my earning potential by many folds. Earlier, it would take me around 2 to 3 months to write a 30,000 words nonfiction ebook. Now, I can easily write that same book within a month, with the help of ChatGPT. All you have to do to write a book via ChatGPT is to first ask for an outline, including the number of chapters you want. Then, ask the queries related to that chapter topic separately from ChatGPT, and hooray, your 30,000 nonfiction book is ready to be delivered to the client. This way, I have increased my earning potential with the help of ChatGPT. Is ChatGPT going to replace freelancers like us? I don't think that ChatGPT will totally replace freelancers like us. It might be possible that some users will start writing their own ebooks or research papers with the help of ChatGPT, but there are still many large organizations who don't have time to do this, or they simply don't want to take any risk. It's still beneficial for them to hire an experienced freelancer like us, rather than wasting their time to ask queries on ChatGPT. As a freelancer, I have realized the limitations of ChatGPT, and I still write the best papers for my client, rather than totally relying on this AI-based application. I have learned how to use it, or when not to use it, if it's affecting the quality of my research paper or ebook. So, you can rest assure yourself that ChatGPT is not totally going to replace the freelancers like us, because there are still many complexities in writing that the ChatGPT's algorithm cannot understand properly. How freelance software developers can earn money from ChatGPT. Freelance software developers can earn money from ChatGPT in several ways, depending on their skills and expertise. Here are a few ways they can leverage ChatGPT. Building chatbots. As a software developer, you can create custom chatbots for businesses and organizations that want to use ChatGPT for customer service or marketing purposes. You can charge for the development and implementation of these chatbots. Chatbot integrations. Businesses that already have a chatbot may need help integrating ChatGPT into their existing system. As a freelance developer, you can offer your services to help with this integration and charge for your time. Providing customized solutions to clients. Depending on the needs of the client, they may require a customized solution that is tailored to their specific business requirements. As a freelance software developer, you can offer your services to develop custom solutions that integrate with ChatGPT. Chatbot maintenance. Chatbots require regular maintenance and updates. You can offer your services to clients to maintain and update their chatbots, ensuring they are always up to date and functioning properly. API development. ChatGPT offers an API that developers can use to create custom integrations and solutions. You can offer your services to develop custom APIs that are specifically tailored to a client's needs and charge for your time and expertise. Use ChatGPT to generate codes. ChatGPT can generate codes on any topic or any language you ask. For instance, suppose you want to develop a program in JavaScript to make a login page, then just ask ChatGPT to generate a code in JavaScript for a login page, and it will create it for you automatically. This way, freelance software developers can easily increase their earning potential to many folds. So, this was my video on how to earn $100,000 as a freelancer from ChatGPT. If you love this video, then please like it, give a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon. This will let you watch our videos instantly whenever they are uploaded in our channel.